Hello kids, I am letter N. This is capital letter N and this is small letter n. N for nest. N for necklace. N for nails. N for nose. Phonic sound of letter N is N. N. N says N. N says N. Let's write the letter N. Let's see how to write capital letter N and small letter n in 4 lines. So start from red line and make a standing line. Then start from red line and make a slanting line in 3 lines. Then start from the ending point of slanting line and make a upward side standing line. This is capital letter N. To write small letter n, make a standing line between two blue lines and a half circle connected to that standing line. This is small letter n. Let's see again how to write capital letter N. Make a standing line, then slanting line and a standing line from the end of that slanting line, upward side. Then to write small letter n, make a standing line in between two blue line and a half circle. This is small letter n. So capital letter N is in 3 lines and small letter n is in 2 lines. Okay? So keep practicing.